Arrow House, or Casa Flecha, is situated in Chacras de Coria amid lush natural surroundings. The architects designed this residence as a contemporary retreat, emphasizing a seamless connection with the landscape. The house consists of a series of gabled volumes, each built with a robust metal structure and uniformly clad in micro-ribbed metal sheeting, giving the building a unified and distinctive character. The fragmented arrangement of these volumes creates courtyards and intermediate spaces, which promote cross-ventilation and allow abundant natural light to permeate the interiors. Glass and perforated metal panels provide a sense of lightness and permeability, encouraging interaction between indoor and outdoor spaces. Inside, the extensive use of wood for walls and ceilings brings warmth and coziness, contrasting with the solidity of the metal structure. Polished concrete floors reinforce the understated and continuous aesthetic. A mezzanine level offers a workspace and relaxation area, enlivened by greenery that adds freshness and vibrancy. Outdoor features such as a jacuzzi, open-air shower, and a custom-designed grill area highlight the home's focus on social gatherings and connection with nature. Arrow House is more than a conventional dwelling. It is a contemporary retreat that balances strength and lightness, providing flexible living closely integrated with its natural context.